I am not getting a gym membership. I'm just working on building habits right now. Can we get a round of applause? Your girl just had a baby 5 weeks ago. Good morning, everyone. I have decided to start my postpartum recovery journey. I don't exactly have like a flavor or have like a plan just yet, but at this point it's kind of like the longer I sit, the longer it just kind of continues to get pushed off, and I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna start this recovery journey, and I want to kind of like share it with you, take you guys with me, all those things. At this point in juncture, I am 4.5, I'll be 5 weeks postpartum tomorrow, and I feel good, and that's kind of what's leading this. I feel good. I know that that's not everybody's story. Frankly, with my first, that was not my story, but I feel really good this time around, and maybe because I've done it before, my body just is kind of used to it or something, I don't know. But I feel good, I feel healthy, and I also feel like I just am ready to start this process mentally, and like mentally more than anything, just because I was literally like, I'm so frustrated with going into my closet and not having anything to wear, not liking the way that my clothes look and fit on me, and then going out and not really wanting to invest in a whole bunch of new clothes. Even though I would love to buy new clothes, I don't want to invest in new clothes that are temporary per se. Another motivation for me to get started, because we all know that it's gonna take a while, right? So, but I'm feeling really encouraged, I'm feeling really motivated, and I wanna kind of capitalize off of that. So I wanna share this with you. I'm just gonna do some at-home workouts. I am not getting a gym membership. I'm not right now, just because when I was in Virginia, I just feel like I wasted so much money on a gym membership that we just never used. So I'm gonna see my consistency level, and I'm gonna see how much I can do from the house first before I invest in anything outside of the house. We have a lot of like equipment, we have a lot of resources, things like that. So I'm just gonna kind of start from where I'm at, and not get ahead of myself. So we're gonna do a 10-minute workout, okay? We're just gonna start with super small workouts. I talked to my friend that is a labor and delivery nurse, and she just told me to start slow and to not overdo it, and to just really be careful. This week I'm gonna do Grow with Joe. I don't know which one I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do her beginner friendly workouts. So if you don't know, Grow with Joe is a workout influencer here on YouTube. She has beginner friendly, intermittent, and advanced level workouts for wherever you find yourself. She gives all of her stuff away for free. She gives all her workouts away for free, and I'm really inspired to see her workouts. She has dance workouts, she has different commitment level workouts, and so really interested to see how this goes and to grow with Joe. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
Written down the words to say, it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right, there's no doubt in my mind.
Okay, so day 1 is officially over. It was not that hard. I feel so good that it was just like, I did it ultimately. Say hi.
Hi.
Now go. Okay, so I feel so good that I did it, literally did it. I don't know, I just feel good. I don't feel like it was overwhelming. I feel like it was just the right speed for me. Let me see, on an intensity scale, I feel like it was probably like a 4, 3, probably like a 3, but it was perfect for me. I honestly feel like I probably could have, like if I would have done this for maybe added another 10 to 20 minutes to it, I definitely would have sweated because I'm starting to kind of like mist a little bit. You know how it is, whatever. Enjoyment. I definitely enjoyed this exercise or this workout for sure. I like it a lot because it wasn't like, for me personally, if it has music that I don't like, I'll just mute it and listen to my own music, but it kind of makes it hard to hear the cues, hear what they're saying or whatever. But this one, she didn't say anything at all, so I thought it was absolutely perfect. So enjoyment wise, I thought the music was great tempo. I didn't have to supplement my own music. And then I thought that I guess the amount of time that I did it was great as well. So I definitely enjoyed it. It was my first one. As you can see, Malachi joined me for sure. But it was definitely super fun. I forgot to start my Fitbit. Hopefully I don't forget tomorrow. And then I also really liked it because she didn't have on any shoes and I don't have on any shoes. I'm in the house. So I really liked that I didn't have to wear shoes. See you guys tomorrow for day 2. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to day 2. Day 2. I'm looking past you guys because I'm looking at the screen here because we're searching for a video for today. I really want to focus on like abs and core, but all right. So we're gonna do this 20-minute workout today. Let's exercise. You want to exercise?
No.
We're going to. All right, so we're going to do this 20-minute low-impact beginner
okay, you got 20
workout.
minutes and 19 minutes.
Okay, thank you. We're going to do this 20-minute walk the weight off beginner workout low impact. So, yeah, we're going to see how this goes. Let's see how we do. I'm kind of nervous because I've been told to start with 10 minutes, but yesterday was like a good integration. So I'm gonna see if 20 minutes is overwhelming, if I get like tired, winded, or just ready to quit, if I feel like how I feel. I'm gonna see how I feel, but I'm gonna do it. So here's goes to this 20-minute fat burning home workout for beginners with Grow with Joe. Let's go. Day 2. Well, day 2 got cut short, but we did get through 15 minutes instead of the 20, and I think the workout is actually 22 to be exact. So we got through majority of it, but baby boy decided he was ready to get up and he was hungry. So, so for my review of this workout, I really am enjoying these workouts. I really like the fact that she has, that this is a low impact workout. Now, what I did determine is that the nursing bra is not cutting it, okay? I need to put on some more support, but we're gonna have to figure that out because my actual bras are like too small right now. My sports bras are too small right now, so I'm gonna figure that out. But I really liked how she had, on this workout especially, she had 2 different people with her. One beginner who actually just had a baby, and she said she hasn't worked out in 9 months, and so very, very relatable. So I super appreciated that. And then she has a person who is kind of like a fitness trainer into the fitness world and lifestyle, and you know, she it was kind of the expert or kind of the advanced person in the workout or whatever. So it was really good. I really appreciated the fact that she had different workout levels included in it. I also appreciated how it was truly low impact. It wasn't a bunch of getting up off the floor, on back onto the floor, like HIIT type of workout. So I really appreciated that, especially for just starting out. I'll work up my way up to that, but ain't nobody got time for that right now. All the stuff related to childbirth is still coming back together and healing. I just don't want to start off and be super discouraged. So I really appreciate that. And then also this is another shoe-free workout. I know that probably sounds superficial, but I just really like not having to put on shoes in the house whenever I'm trying to do these workouts. So beginner friendly, you can definitely work out with it. I forgot to start my Fitbit again. Hopefully I'll remember tomorrow. I wish I could just like tell you guys to remind me to wear my Fitbit or start my Fitbit. Hopefully I'll remember tomorrow, but either way, this was super fun. This was definitely not as hard. I like how she has the kind of like the how far along you've come on the top of the screen, like how much you have to go on the top of the screen, the completion bar, or whatever you want to call it, on top of the screen to kind of, you know, encourage you, let you know. Because at one point I was like, I forgot to start my watch. How much time do I have left? But then I forgot it's a YouTube video. Just look at the time. Like, anyway, so I really appreciated and liked and enjoyed this workout. Again, no music, and for me, or she had really good tempo music and not like words or, you know, crazy tunes and songs. So I appreciate, for me, like I'd rather have no music or instrumental music than like terrible music, you know what I'm saying? So I really appreciated how the instrumentals that she had was like a super good tempo. It wasn't anything like crazy tunes or whatever. So I appreciated this. So I'm going to come back tomorrow. Tomorrow will be day 3 and we're gonna get it. So
I want to eat breakfast.
Okay, it's time to eat breakfast. Baby brother eat breakfast and then you eat breakfast, okay?
Brother eat breakfast, mouth pennies.
Exactly. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys back here for day 3.
Bye.
All right, good morning.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, baby.
The microscope.
Is that your microscope? I'm about to work out.
Good
Good morning. So we are about to work out. It is day 3 over here.
Okay.
It's day 3 over here, so I'm excited to kind of finish. It's also Friday, so I'm excited to kind of finish this week of workouts. This is my first week back. I'm really excited. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this. All right, so today we're going to go, today I'm actually gonna go back to the workout that I didn't get to finish last time. The baby just went back down to sleep, so I should be good for the whole 20-minute workout. So I'm actually gonna go back to that one and start it over, which will be actually, it'll be pretty cool because the first day was 10 minutes, then the next day was 15 minutes, and then this will be 20 minutes. So it'll kind of like be able to gradually progress, and I'll probably stick to like somewhere between 15 and 20 minutes for like a few weeks, just until, yeah, I might up my intensity, but I'll probably stay with like that 15 to 20 minute interval just to avoid not being able to finish or get through them. So we're going to go back to the walk the weight off low impact beginner workout with Grow with Joe.
Sounds like a focus when you touch my hair. No words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my pants.
Okay, y'all, I just finished the workout. My first week of workouts is in the books. Can we get a round of applause? Your girl just had a baby 5 weeks ago. About 8 by the time you guys are seeing this. But I'm so excited nonetheless that I got through it. It wasn't killer, but it was like just enough. So I said like the 20-minute mark is gonna be like where I kind of hang out for a while, and I absolutely, after finishing this workout, I stand behind that, okay? It was not intense, but it was the perfect amount of like I guess I should say it was a perfect amount of intensity. It wasn't overly hard. Like none of the exercises were hard or impossible. They were actually all very, very simple, but I even felt myself, I even had to modify some of the super simple workouts. Like I'm still wearing the nursing bras. My sports bras don't fit around like this part right here. So I can't put my sports bras on. So like anytime she was doing like a lot of jumping, I felt like, listen, I need to tighten these straps or something, because I'm just like, I need some more support up here. There was a couple of like tricksy foot moves that she had us doing, and I felt my ankle kind of like doing some funny stuff, and really that just means that I need to kind of stretch and do some rotations and things like that. So just kind of increase my mobility and flexibility. So that's what I'm gonna do. Probably like on my quote unquote off days, I'll probably do some flexibility, mobility exercises. And also when it came to the jumping, like I said, I'm postpartum, 5 weeks postpartum. When it came to the jumping, I kind of felt like things are still kind of getting together down there. So I definitely think that 15 to 20 minutes is gonna be my hangout spot as far as length, workout length wise. But I felt really good. It was super enjoyable. I really liked how she had multiple people in the video with her. So all the videos, well, excuse me. So the videos that I use will be linked down in the description box below. Definitely recommend trying out Grow with Jo if you've never heard of her channel or if you're not familiar with her channel. She's got some good stuff. She actually had a baby herself, I think a couple years ago now, but so she knows what it's like to actually bounce back. So assess her body. She's not always looked like that, right? And actually some of the videos, some of her preview footage in some of her videos share that and show that. So she gives you some befores, she gives you some crying, she gives you some afters, and so you kind of get to journey with her through that. So she's definitely relatable, and that's what I really liked about her. I really liked how short the workout was, and again, how I didn't have to wear shoes. I'm excited, I'm so happy, I'm so proud of myself, y'all. Comment down below if you're proud of me. If you are proud of me, 5 weeks postpartum and just got through my first week of workouts. Oh, I forgot to start my Fitbit again today, but I did take measurements. Now, my measurements are my starting measurements, so there's no point in taking them. I just took them like, what, 2 days ago maybe? I don't know, this week though, I took them, so 5 weeks, recording this, 5 weeks postpartum, I took my first set of measurements. And I probably won't take them every week for starters. I probably will do every 2 weeks, maybe even 3 weeks, just because I don't want to get discouraged. I'm just working on building habits right now, and so I'm proud of myself. First week of workouts in the books, y'all. Let's get it, let's go. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more fitness, workout, and food content. Healthy lifestyle, here we come.